Hey guys, fit checks. Tank top from my pants from my shoes from my cousin's cousin. Grills from mama mo. Enrolled na ba ako? Hindi pa kasi kailangan ko ng mental health clearance sa school ko. I see myself getting married, having kids, owning 3 successful businesses. Ako yumaman ng yumaman para matulungan ko lahat ng mahihirap sa buong mundo. Lahat ng yon gagawin ko kasama si Lane Stana.
She got a lot on my mind. She got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind.
What's up guys? It's Cash Danny and it's currently 8:15 p.m. So samahan niyo ako today for a couple of hours here at BGC.
Been that tonight. You think that she lame, but she lying. You fucking that bitch like she mine.
Movie. Kasi 3 weeks ago, we went on a trip to Singapore and punta kami Universal Studios. First time ko mag-rides ng mga extreme and wala kami masyadong plan ng kapatid ko. So, nag-message ako kay Nardi to get an itinerary. And dinakaw na may itinerary kasi kakagaling niya lang din sa Singapore. Actually, this shoot was supposed to be on Singapore pero bumalik na siya Malaysia noon nung kakadating lang namin na Singapore. So, hindi kami natuloy and ngayon namin ginagawa tong shoot na to. Ang pinaka-memorable thing sa akin sa Singapore is yung na-shock ako on how expensive it is there. First time ko punta out of the country na wala talaga akong shopping, as in, ang nabili ko lang isang lip gloss and pasalubong kasi it was so expensive there. Parang, I can buy those stuff here in the Philippines na mas cheaper kasi sa Singapore. So, I was really shocked sa mga prices there. Kaiba yung commute sa Singapore and sa Pinas kasi mas madali talaga mag-commute sa Singapore. Yung mga bus nila may mga code kung saan lang talaga papunta yun. And may mga time kung kailan sila mag-a-arrive. So, kailangan mo lang mag-wait and tignan kung ilang minutes yung bus mo. And pati train din, mas madali sa kanila. Hindi masikip, hindi din mainit. Tapos, ano din, walang amoy. Yung mga Filipino, mas welcoming sila and warm. Sa Singapore, parang walang pakialaman na talaga yung mga tao to. Enrolled na ba ako? Hindi pa kasi kailangan ko ng mental health clearance sa school ko. And I study in UST Marketing Management. Payag ba ako na magka-J-word ako? Hindi. Kasi I want to be my own boss. I want to be an owner of a streetwear brand company. Konting story time lang, guys. Actually, I went to China last October para tumingin ng mga manufacturers ng mga damit, like to get the best source talaga. So, we went there para makita namin physically yung mga damit na pwede nilang gawin, and nag-ask na din kami ng mga prices, quotations, kung kaya ba nila gawin yung mga gusto namin ng kapatid ko kasi ang bala kong partner is yung kapatid ko. So, where do I see myself in 5 years? I see myself getting married, having kids, owning 3 successful businesses, and I want to help sa mga unfortunates. Gusto ko yumaman ng yumaman para matulungan ko lahat ng mahihirap sa buong mundo para di na sila maghirap. Lahat ng yan gagawin ko kasama si Lane Stana. My eyes, cause it's so big. And pag nagsalita naman ako, feeling ko, una nila napapansin yung voice ko kasi maliit daw, lagi nila sinasabi sa akin. Siguro, pag yung tao, sinasabi niya, I don't wanna talk about the problem, ayaw niya makipag-argue, tapos ina-avoid yung problem. Kasi nagiging conflict avoidant yung tao, and I think that's very red flag. And di naman masasolusyonan yung problem. I think it's when I was having an anxiety attack last week and yung boyfriend ko, he would massage my hands, my head para mag-calm down ako and he would tell me comforting things, words, and he would ask me kung ano na nafe-feel ko, he would give me water, and I think romantic yun kasi para sa akin nakakatakot kasi na makita yung isang taong nagkakaganon. Like, if only alam nyo kung paano ako magka-anxiety attack. And hindi siya natatakot sa akin. And yun, kinocomfort niya ako. Yes, I do believe in soulmates. Kasi kami ng boyfriend ko, no matter how hard kami sineseparate ng mundo, yung tadhana pinaglalapit talaga kami dalawa, lagi. We always find our way back to each other. So yes, I do believe in soulmates. Love to live in the moment. Actually, tinatry ko nga mag-vlog ngayon and lagi ko nakakalimutan mag-vlog kasi pag masaya na yung nangyayari or may nangyayari na, parang di ko talaga naiisip na ipopost ko to. Like, I'm just having fun. So, yeah, I haven't really felt that way.
Baby, these diamonds are giant. I took all the Avian. I don't get no status. I'm a place of private.
That's all for tonight and I'll see you when I see you. Bye!